Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial with Welvin. In this tutorial, I will take you through downloading and installation of RAD System Studio. This tutorial is just a stepping stone for the main tutorial, which will take you through installing the requirements and properly setting them up on your development environment for RAD System Studio. With no further ado, let's get started. First, you need to visit the RAD System Studio website. You enter your email in the input section. Then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. If you look below, you would see the requirements for the languages and framework used in RAD System Studio. We are not going to talk much about it now. In the next tutorial we would focus on it. After entering your email, you click on the blue download button on the right side of the input. After that, your download should start shortly. Since I already have the downloaded file, I will skip the download. After downloading the file, the next thing you want to do is to extract the content of the downloaded file to your desktop using WinRAR, 7-zip, or any unzipping tool you are comfortable with. In my case, I am using WinRAR. Double-click the extracted setup. Read the license agreement. If you disagree, click on I do not accept the agreement and click on Cancel, then click on Yes on the pop you see to exit. If you agree, click on I accept the agreement and click Next to proceed. Next, select the folder you want to install the RAD Systems application. With this option, you can install multiple versions of the RAD System Studio by installing them in different folders. Click on the Browse button to select a folder or manually enter the path to the folder you want to install it in. Select the Create a Desktop shortcut if you wanted to create a shortcut on your desktop, else uncheck it, and then click on the Next button. After that, you have to wait for it to complete installation. It should not take much time to finish. After it finishes, select Launch RAD Systems and click on the Finish button. RAD System Studio should start up automatically after this, and you will be greeted with a dashboard containing the project's types. If you have purchased a license and you want to activate your installation, first of all, make sure you are connected to the internet. Click on the Activate Product button with the key icon at the top right of the RAD System Studio application. Enter your license key on the dialog in Input and click on the Activate Product Online button. If you purchase the full license, the Activate Product button with the key icon at the top right of the RAD System Studio application would disappear, else the button will still be there until you activate all packages. To verify that your license has been applied, you will see activated with a check icon in green. This means you have activated that product. In the next tutorial, I will take you through setting up your PC with a requirement for different project types and published platforms. Thanks for watching, and thanks to all my patrons for their support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also turn on notifications by clicking on the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like. Thanks.